Viewers and subscribers, first I want to take the time out to thank you all for watching my channel and subscribing to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and help me to grow my channel. Alright, today we're going to talk about Teejay and Shane. You see me? Two mobile artists, them, you see me? Most people know already, so they're not from the same area. You understand? But them know each other. You see me? I say? So I'm going to listen to a Shane have to say about Teejay, and also make Spice say what she have to say, you see me?
Wait till they jump on the live, because I want to tell them some dirty blood clots up over here. You know? I want to know if it's a little suck boy, a little tampon tongue, bat boy, Teejay up that boss. You can't go find a topic or a style for yourself. See? You get up every day around with people, topic or style, boy. You can't go find something. Find something now for your own soul. Boy Teejay, and make sure when this a start, see you not running a batty boy. For what you man a preview them topic Tycoon. You get up boy, you gonna run down preview song boy, you do song boy name Tycoon. Boy, you can't find a topic for yourself. Eh? Boy, you can't find a topic for yourself because suck see boy tampon tongue batty boy. Boy, me tell you this, you better make sure so your people can war me, I war your brawling pussy. Me tell you, I mean I look no hype or no batty boy. And if anybody want to go see them, can go up on my page and go look. How long man a preview a topic Tycoon, you get up bumble boy, you do song boy name Tycoon, pussy boy, go find a style for yourself, man. Go find a topic for yourself, man. Bumble clat, the same way when you try to style rose that and they go on like you know nobody out. You know nobody a long time you do this pussy from back in the days. You the Thief 9X knowledge song and man song pussy and they run with it. But now, alright, that's why you go top, because I go worry about boy. Let me tell you, when you try to pull styling up the whole and come run up in a thing when no concern you and run out of it, you know. And they come talk and they come try to push up and look mediocre, you know, like you feel like you know, on my level or can size up. But me I tell you, look at tampon tongue, look at nyam pussy, boy Teejay, up top boss, you me a chat. And me a brawling, me a tell the world, make them know pussy. You have to find a topic for yourself. Find a topic and style and flow for yourself, boy. A lot of people style and thing, man. You know, if you tap it, bump ball, and go on like you know this and on this top, man. You see me? Bump like this boy you out. Dog, actually, you never know, sis. Me wake up and I say, beating my grave. My grave. But all of a sudden, me run a preview up on my page and say, Tycoon, me see this man, boy, I come do bump freestyle about Tycoon. Tycoon, you clot. Tycoon my clot. Go suck. The deepest part of your but Teejay wait. No nobody come over here so come say something nothing to me. Nothing to me. No nobody come say nothing to me this morning. Cause that look boy you now get from bad to worse, and then anytime you know the things a man talk about you know make it look like some man a oppressor or something, you know, go find a topic for yourself, you. Find a topic for yourself, look boy. Look boy, if you go find a topic for yourself. Stop running with people topic, brother. Stop it, brother. Bomb clot youth of a topic youth. You tell me say you say you're a big bad artist, so you can't find a topic for yourself, brother. Then you hold you look idiot but clot fans them come run over here so come chat up their mouth. Any boy or girl run over here so come make a talk this morning, go look at she shove down on the throat, bat boy and bat. So mother, I'm mad this morning, yeah. I'm tell you that. So now I run come over here so I come chat up on the mouth and go tell you no artist to go find a topic. And stop running people topic and people flow. Big boy. Look at tampon tongue.
Viewers and subscribers, big up to the two artists them same way. Me not push no violence against none of the artists them, viewers and subscribers. You see me? I say only lyrical violence, you see me? Music clashing, you see me? If you think say Shane wrong for what him say people, leave it in the comment. If you think say Teejay shouldn't even style, leave it in the comment people. Viewers and subscribers, now we're going to listen to Spice speak what's going on in her life, and you know, we wish her the best, you know, fully recover.
Been Spice. No, I'm grateful. I'm happy.
Stop bullshitting me around. What's wrong?
It's all over your face.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not well. I'm not doing good. I have another hernia.
Are you serious?
It's bigger than the first time.
How are you keep getting these hernias?
I think this one is caused because they opened my chest up and they didn't sew me back. So now I'm left with a big hole in my stomach.
Oh my God. There's always something. Jesus.
I feel like I'm gonna die early.
Don't say that. Please, don't say that.
I hate to
Viewers and subscribers, there you have it. She said it out her own mouth. But you don't know. We don't want nothing to spice same way. You see me? So when you send out a prayer for spice same way, and you don't know. From my heart, me I wish Spice a fully recovery. You see me? And get you this good, because you have your family if you go take care of, you know. You see me? I say blessings to everyone and watch my channel if you reach this far. Please subscribe if you have not. Until the next one, I'm out.